Ceasefire, ceasefire, ceasefire. Don't commit genocide in Yoruba land. Don't commit genocide in Yoruba land. Don't commit genocide in Yoruba land. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba aládéládé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìjòyè. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin àáfàá. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin wòlíì. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe pátápátá. Mo kí lọ́kùnrin àti lóbìnrin pátápátá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, nílé àti lẹ́yìn odi. Ọ̀rọ̀ nípa order tí Chief of Army Staff give olórí jagunjagun ní Nàìjíríà, ọ̀gá wa, ọ̀gá àgbà, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya. Gbogbo wa la gbọ́, gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lápapọ̀ gbogbo wa la gbọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọ̀gágun Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya sọ kò kí ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tí kò dáa, kò dẹ̀ kí ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó lágbára jù fún ẹni tí ó bá ní àgbọ́yé. Ṣùgbọ́n àkọ́kọ́ tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé ọ̀gágun wa ní Nàìjíríà, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya, ẹ give order, and order tẹ give, ẹ specify order yẹn pé gbogbo ẹni ọmọ Yorùbá nation tí ó bá ń try láti máa drag arm or gun mọ́ sójà lọ́wọ́, they should shoot and kill. Tá bá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbọ́yé, gbogbo Yorùbá nation agitation pátápátá, I can confidently say we are not a terrorist. All Yoruba nation agitation are not a terrorist. They are acting under the law of this country. They are acting under the law of Nigeria. They are acting under the law of United Nations. That self-determination is our right. Self-determination is a right for every human being to ask for. Ọ̀gágun Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya, for this order, ẹ bá wa ṣe nǹkan kan as well, torí a mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn sójà wa ní Nàìjíríà, they are all doing fine. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa, they are all doing fine. But there is one thing. Kò sí parastatal Nàìjíríà, tẹ́ bá rí good people, tẹ́ bá rí àwọn good people, ẹ rí àwọn bad egg nínú wọn as well. So tó túmọ̀ sí pé in Nigerian military, in Nigerian soldier, we have good ones among them, and otherwise we have the bad one among them, the bad eggs among them. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ fún wọn ní full monitoring. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ fún wọn ní full monitoring. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ fún wọn ní full monitoring. Láti agitate fún Yorùbá nation is not a crime. Wherever, any day, anytime, tí àwọn Yorùbá bá agitate, tí wọ́n ń ṣe rally, peaceful rally fún Yorùbá nation, I want you to watch out. I want you to give a full monitoring on the rally, on their movement. Ẹ̀yin fúnra ara yín máa rí pé they are doing this campaign peacefully and according to the law. There are some soldiers, the military men, the uniformed men in Nigeria, so even if I thought they cannot come out boldly and say they are supporting what Yoruba people are doing, in their mind, they know and they are happy about it. They are happy about it. So bí àwọn yìí ṣe wà nínú àwọn military wa tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n rí pé Yorùbá ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan wọn peacefully, láì sógun, láì síjà, tínú àwọn kan dùn sí. Àwọn kan náà wà tó jẹ́ pé bad egg nínú àwọn sójà yìí tínú wọn ò dùn, tó jẹ́ pé all their mind is to attack and kill. We are not an animal. Yoruba are not terrorists. àwọn tó fẹ́ máa shoot àbí tó ní intention láti máa pa àwọn èèyàn, especially àwọn tó ń ṣe peaceful rally, they should please go to Sambisa forest. They should please enter our forest in Yoruba land. Go after the kidnappers. Go after the terrorists. Yoruba are not terrorists. Yoruba nation agitation are not terrorists. Please, whosoever insurgents who is eager to kill, who is eager to shoot, should please go to our forest, both in Sambisa forest, both in Yoruba forest. Flush out the kidnappers, flush out the terrorists. You can kill as many as you want there because they are terrorists. But àwọn tó wà nínú ìlú, ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń ṣe rally tọmọ Yorùbá ń ṣe lórí self-determination is our right under Nigerian constitution. Is also our right under United Nations law, Article 3. Ẹ bá wa monitor àwọn sójà yìí. Tá bá rí gbogbo ibi tí àwọn Yorùbá nation bá ti ń ṣe rally, ẹ bá wa monitor wọn so that ọ̀gá wa Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya ẹ lè mọ àwọn tó jẹ́ bad eggs tó jẹ́ pé they are ready to antagonize, to shoot and kill Yoruba nation people. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ bá wa cop hand wọn. We don't want that. We don't want war. We don't want war in Yoruba land. Either we don't want riots in Yoruba land. We are very peaceful people, very calm people. And what Yoruba people are asking for is the right. Self-determination is our right. Self-determination is our right. Self-determination is our right. And we thank the Nigerian policemen, the Nigerian police officers. I thank them a lot. Because in some places, tí Yorùbá bá ti ń ṣe peaceful rally, you saw some of the police there with their vehicle monitoring the situation without any problem, without any riots. Nigerian police are doing very well. Kudos to you, Nigerian police. Inspector General of Police, Usman Alkali Baba, thank you so much for this. We want you to put more effort in protecting the land, protecting Yoruba land. Put more effort, sir. A fẹ́ ogun nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, a fẹ́ ìjà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, a fẹ́ ìtàjẹ̀sílẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Please, we don't want any genocide in Yoruba land. Ẹ má commit genocide ní Yoruba land. Ẹ má commit genocide ní Yoruba land. Ẹ má commit genocide ní Yoruba land. Don't kill any Yoruba nation. Don't kill any Yoruba nation. Àtàwọn bad egg táwọn politician bá ń lò tó fẹ́ wo àárín Yoruba nation láti máa misbehave. Please fix them out. And Yoruba nation people are ready to join hand with police, even with soldier, to flush out the bad egg among Yoruba people, among the politician thug tí wọ́n set láti wá máa wọnú Yoruba nation rally lásìkò tó máa ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ láti máa fi commit atrocities. We don't want this. We don't want war in Yoruba land. We don't want genocide in Yoruba land. Don't commit genocide in Yoruba land. We are very peaceful and very calm people. Let the Yoruba nation rally be going on peacefully the way it was till this moment. We want peace in our land, and self-determination is our right. Please, ìjọba Nigeria, Buhari, President Muhammadu Buhari, a bẹ̀, ẹ má dá ogun sílẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ẹ má commit genocide nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. We don't want it. We are very peaceful and very calm people. But asking for our nation, asking for self-determination is our right, is everybody's right. Is everybody's right. Please, let it go where. Allow it to go where. Allow it to go peacefully. Allow it to go where. Allow the rally